Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Anshul on the Anshul Show. And today we're back with my trusty assistant. Today we will be cooking. As you can see, I'm holding a knife. Today's dish's ingredients for the stir fry is 1 salmon fillet, capsicum, America, this is bell peppers, if you're in Asia, capsicum, and onions. Now the spices. Now for the basis we need oil, olive oil, healthier option, and it has loads of flavor. We have the basic seasoning, salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons each. We have smoked paprika, beautiful. It's a beautiful flavor, really gives that smokiness and that heat to the dish. And then you have cajun. Oh, it brings lots and lots of flavor. It has different mixed herbs in it and has chili in it, which really brings the heat. And it's an Indian spice. And then famous garlic powder. Such a basic ingredient, but it brings so much flavor to the dish. And here it is. I use Master Foods ingredients. You can buy them too at your local market. So now first, to marinate the onions. Why I marinate the onions is because they are a vital ingredient in the stir fry. Because they need to caramelize, and they're the ones that expand the flavor in the dish. They're the ones that caramelize. So what you do, you add your cajun, the paprika, because they will really bond together with the acids of the onion. Garlic powder. Now why I do this is it brings both smokiness, heat and flavor. With the garlic powder, the cajun and the paprika, mixing with the acidity and bonding with the onions. And onions, what they do, red onions, are less acidic than white onions. And so what they give is more flavor and less acid. And so it really brings lots and lots of flavor. And so the redder the onion, the sweeter the onion. That's why we're going to caramelize it. And so what we do is we mix it all up. Get your hands in there. And if you don't want to use your hands, you can always use a spoon. Very easy, very simple. That's easy as that. And now, a tablespoon of oil. Now this really lets it caramelize a lot, because this brings more flavor and really gets it even on the pan when it's done caramelizing. Oil helps non-stick and even out the coating of the vegetables and also the meats, obviously, because the meats are more susceptible to sticking. Oh, I really need to improve my English. Anyway, a pan with a curvature. And all of you flat earthers out there, yes, there's such thing as curve. Sorry to break it to you, but the world is round. So we check if it's hot by putting in a little bit of water. It's an old technique because water always evaporates at 100 degrees. It's hot enough if you can feel it. If you can feel the heat on your hand. So first, here in the Anshul Show, we bring quality content every single video. Really hot. And that's good, because sidewalks are always hot. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then it's spread out. And really get to know the pan and really even out on the pan, because only then will the flavor really get balanced out. So now you can really feel the heat. Never put water in or you will get burnt. Please do not put water. That's good. Please don't put water in. Now You will put the onions, plus really caramelize the onion. You will know if it's caramelized once it starts turning golden brown or even darkish brown. It's so good. Oh, cooking is an art. I've learned that when I was very young. They told me, Anshul, cooking is an art. You should appreciate it. So, okay. So now I cook every single day. And especially with quarantine, it makes it a lot easier. And lots of protein. And lots of minerals. When you know it's glazed, that's when you start seeing the glaze on the bottom of the pan, you add in your capsicum. So now the capsicum is really important. It brings a nice refreshing crunch to the dish. And what you do is you run the blade along the steel to sharpen it. Cut it up into small pieces. Always use the skin side, as that is a more accurate way of measuring. Then cut to another thing. Now we will be using smaller pieces, as we will be stir-frying it, not pan-searing it. So we need smaller pieces. And so cut it into quarters, and then across. And it's okay if it's a bit messy, because the stir-fry is supposed to be a bit more lean and a bit more soft. As it is a stir-fry, not pan-sear. Again, it's not a formal type of dish, it's more like a family comfort food. So we have salmon, pause. So now we've cut the salmon into smaller pieces, like this, for example. So with your chilies, you want to cut them round. So now we put the chili and scoop it in. The thicker the chili, the better, because you get the best of both worlds. A good, refreshing crunch and a good everything is starting to glaze. You can see the chili starting to glaze, the capsicum has glazed, and the onion is fully glazed. And now you can see it fusing together. And now it's salmon time. It's ham. You make a well to put in your salmon. Some ground pepper and some salt. And mix it in. And put it. And now add the pepper and salt. And spread it all around. Because you do not want frosted pepper and salt. You let it sit for about 5 minutes on low flame. So it's been about 5 minutes. And it's perfect. There is not a loss of flavor. And you can see the sauces dripping out. That means it's caramelized, it's flavorful, and it's curry. Now curry is when it's not dry and it has lots of heat and flavor. And this is a perfect stir-fry curry. You can see the juices of the salmon dripping out, the juices of the caramelized onions dripping out, and the gravy. It's perfect. You can see the fats burning away. You can see the fats dissolving and mixing together to create more flavor. And this really brings more flavor to the dish. And the more flavor you have, the better the dish. Oh yeah, by the way, how to do this is because you create enough momentum, and so it has to be a light base. So basically you do that to lighten the base, and so it's wet, right? And you create momentum, it flips. But now, because it's wet, it can't flip. So that's basically how you do it. So now, all the gravy has been dissolved and entered into every single corner of this dish. Every single corner of the dish is flavorful and has a hint of spice, heat, smokiness, and nutrition. This is really a perfect nutrient-full, rich dish. Now, you can tell that it's good. When you close it in, it traps all the moisture in, and so really evenly cooks every single thing. And so now, how to check if it's done or not? That means all the fat has been drained out and is now coating the bottom. And when you saw when I opened it, it had this big puddle of moisture. And that, when I lift up the heat, it has entered the salmon and become flavored. You can see by when you take a spoonful, there is no moisture coming out. And that's how you know it's perfect. Now it's presentation time. Okay, pause. Stop. So after you've lifted the cover, full heat, and we'll really finish out that smokiness. So do this for about 1 minute and really stir quickly. And see now? So what you do is you create momentum. You create momentum. And what that does, right, see? Now it's created kind of on. And now it's presentation time. Woo! So, today we are going to be using an ancient china. In the part of the chili that curves upward, that is where you want it to rest. So you cut here. And now, here is the final result. This chili really brings texture out and really shows off your culinary artism and your art skills. Presentation is the final appeal for cooking, as it is what tempts a person to eat your dish. With plating, that is what determines whether your dish will be eaten or not. Whether your dish is good, appealing, or not. It is a very important aspect of cooking. Let's see what my brother thinks of the dish. This is Bravo Reviews, my brother. Let's see.
It's fragrant. It has a nice texture. Nice kick to the flavor as well. So if you have penchant for spicy flavors, you're in for a treat. Eat at your own peril, because if you can't handle the heat, you might have some trouble, but it looks and tastes delicious.
That's a real food critic right there. Thanks for watching the latest episode of Cooking with Anshul on the Anshul Show. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!